In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pointer during presentation. If you've ever wished you could direct your audience's eyes exactly where you want them during a slideshow, this is the simple technique that makes it happen. It's quick to activate, easy to control, and helps your explanations land with clarity. First, start your presentation by clicking Present. This moves your slides into full screen presentation mode so the audience sees only your content. It also prepares the controls you'll need for the pointer. If you're still in the editor view where you can move text boxes or resize images, the pointer won't be available yet. So make sure you're officially presenting before you try anything else. With your presentation up on the screen, use your keyboard to turn on the laser pointer. On Windows, press Ctrl and P together. On a Mac, press Command and P together. As soon as you do, you'll notice your regular cursor changes into a bright, laser-like pointer. This visual cue tells you it's active and ready to use. Now point at what matters. Click and drag on the slide to guide attention to specific elements, like a chart label, a key sentence, or a button in a demo. Keep your movements smooth and deliberate. Slow, steady lines help your audience follow along, while quick, jittery motions can be distracting. Pause briefly over important areas to let people absorb what you're highlighting, and then move on with intention. A quick reminder here, the pointer only works in present mode, not while editing slides. If you switch back to the editor at any point, you'll see your normal cursor return and the laser pointer controls won't respond. When you're ready to use it again, just return to present and repeat the same shortcut. A few practical tips as you use it. Think of the pointer as a spotlight, not a paintbrush. Trace the outline of a chart once, underline a phrase slowly, or circle a number with a single smooth motion. Avoid scribbling or rapid back and forth swipes, which can overwhelm viewers. Stand still for a moment after each gesture so people can connect your voice with what you're showing. And remember, your narration should complement the pointer. Tell your audience what to look at, then use the pointer to reinforce it. That's all you need to confidently use the pointer during a presentation. Present the slides, activate the pointer with the shortcut for your device, and click and drag to highlight the right details. With a little practice, your explanations will feel cleaner, your emphasis sharper, and your audience more engaged.